grade 2, and grade 1. To formally start our flag ceremony, let us be one in mind, body and spirit, as we praise and thank God for all His grace and blessings through a prayer to be led by the grade 1 faith pupils. May I request everyone to stand proudly as we sing our national anthem to be conducted by Ethan Escapuzane from grade 1 home.
Nagsasasayaw pa. Tinatawag.
Pero talaga siyang alam niyan. Ni-request lang. Ni-request sa principal.
Ayan na ako. Bitang mo tayo.
Diyos ko.